Thanks so much for joining me in this video today. If you've got a kickboxing gym and you're looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your services, you've definitely come to the right place today, so keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the multi-sites platform to build a simple website for your kickboxing gym. If you haven't heard of multi-sites before, we've pretty much built a platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details are needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you at the top is to search for your markets. Now, we've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. Let's head to the top, search for our market, kickboxing gym or school. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Great, let's start a few basic details about our kickboxing school so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your business name and your city and your state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you've clicked on continue, multi-sites will automatically generate a simple website for your kickboxing gym or school and bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new website in under 30 seconds. For now, I'm going to go ahead and close that off because today I'm going to be the one to show you the ropes. Now, the beauty of multi-sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see. They're completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your website. Maybe you want to make one or two amendments to this content. Perhaps you don't offer all these services and you'd like to make it a bit more personalized to your business. You can absolutely do so. You don't need to know any coding. Be a web professional in any kind of way, and you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself. So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and click on the first section at the top, pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that's visible for my customers to see, so I'm going to go ahead and tick that box. Excellent. Let's pop in our phone number over here and address physical location. That is click to call, by the way. So the phone number is click to call, and the physical location, when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps. Under update social links is where we have in your various social media platforms. Pop in the links over here and the icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. Now, if you have a business logo, head on over to the next section to upload it over here. Once it's been uploaded, you can crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames by clicking on that little pencil. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. To change the colors to use throughout your multi-sites website, you don't need to know color coding. Click on that little paint bucket bottom right-hand corner. Go through the various color palette options available for you to use. Awesome. Now, for each section you'd like to make a bit more personalized to your kickboxing school, click on that update section button underneath update images where you can browse your device and upload your own images, or you have the option to search through the photo library. There's hundreds and thousands of free high quality images to choose from. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button and pull in those photos if you have a profile. Now, under update actions, where we can change those call to action buttons, the text on those buttons, and where they're linked to. You can even upload a PDF file or link to another website. Maybe you take online bookings. In the last section, we have a lead generation form over here where your customers can easily reach out to you, keep track of all your leads coming in your Marty dashboard. Now, if you have a custom domain, you can connect it by clicking on that yellow button at the bottom. If you don't have a custom domain yet, we really recommend that you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. Go ahead and click on that button as well. You actually have the option to purchase a custom domain via our platform as well. Really hope that short tutorial was helpful in building a simple website on the multi-site platform for your kickboxing school or gym. And I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success.